Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tired of your slow, bloated computer? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do a completely fresh, clean install of the latest version of Windows 11, version 25 H2. We'll download the official ISO, create a bootable USB, and wipe your old system to start completely fresh. Let's get started. Now, before we do anything, two super important steps. First, back up all your important files. This process will completely erase everything on your main drive. So make sure you save your photos, documents, and other data to an external hard drive or cloud storage like OneDrive. Second, you'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage to create your installer. First, you'll need the installation file. Since Windows 11 version 25.8 H2 hasn't been officially released yet, the easiest way to get the latest ISO is by downloading it from the Windows Insider program. When it is released in a few weeks, just download it from the Microsoft usual download page. You can also download Windows 11.25 H2 ISO file from UUP-Dump. UUP-Dump is a free community-driven tool that lets you download Windows Update files directly from Microsoft servers and then build your own ISO image. It's safe because the files come straight from Microsoft, not third-party servers. Basically, UUP-Dump is the go-to method when you want the latest Windows builds before Microsoft officially releases them as downloadable ISOs. Next, we need to turn that ISO file into a bootable USB drive. My favorite tool for this is Rufus. You can download it for free. Plug in your USB drive, open Rufus, and it should automatically detect it. Click the Select button, find the Windows 11 ISO you just downloaded, and click Open. Leave everything at the default. Now, if your PC meets the official Windows 11 requirements, you can just click Start. But if you're installing on an older or unsupported PC, you'll see a dialog box. Here, you'll want to check the box to remove requirement for 4 gigabytes plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. You can also choose to bypass the online Microsoft account requirement if you want. Once you've made your choices, hit OK. You'll see a warning that all data on the USB will be destroyed. Click OK to proceed. The process will begin, and it might take several minutes. So be patient. Once Rufus says, "Ready," your bootable USB is complete. Plug it into the PC you want to install Windows on. You'll need to restart your PC and enter your motherboard's boot menu. This key varies by manufacturer, but it's usually F2, F10, F12, or delete. Select your USB drive from the boot menu and press Enter. The Windows setup screen will appear. Select your language and click Next. Then keyboard settings as well as setup option. When asked for a product key, click I don't have a product key. Your digital license should automatically reactivate once the installation is finished and you connect to the internet. You can also manually enter the key once the installation is done. Choose the edition that matches your product key. Since I have a Windows 11 Pro key, I'll select that option. Select the location where to install the Windows 11. My PC has only one drive, so we'll wipe everything on this drive. Windows will now begin the installation process. Your PC will restart several times. Now here, if you click on Set Up for personal use, you'll be required to set up your Windows 11 using your Microsoft account. We'll go for the other options, so I set up a local account instead. Answer the security questions. And that's it. You've successfully performed a clean installation of Windows 11 version 25 H2. Your system should now feel fast, clean, and free of any old junk. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.